Okay, so already I have pinned this dumbbell, on the in the video. Yes. So if you like this dumbbell, man, you need to just check it out. You understand? It's already pinned to the product of this live. Yeah, let me show you a little bit of what I'm gonna do with this dumbbell. This one that helps to build your own body. This dumbbell does nothing but just makes you look so good and look so strong. That's what it does for you. It's building this place, right? This place. And here. But when I use this type of dumbbell, I don't just concentrate on, building only one place. What I do to one part of the body, that's what I do to the second part of the body. Okay, you know what? Has to to give balance to the way the body is going to look like. We want balance. Because when I use this dumbbell, the only thing I think about is, the only thing I think about is balance. I don't want one is bigger than the other. It looks horrible. I want something balanced. If I do 10 with this hand, I'm doing 10 with this. So there'll be balance on the body. See, whatever you do, fitness is the only thing that makes you think positive. That's it. We got the balance with these little things we have done. Balance all over this part of the body. That is what I've shown you just now. How do you use your own dumbbell? Training the movement of the legs. My legs. It's my leg and my hand and training at the same time. Legs and hand moving together. Same time. Okay. This is what is called a walking machine. We build everything. Nothing is unbuilt. Nothing is unbuilt. This is what is called a walking machine. Okay, let me say hi to somebody. Okay. You see that one? They built this place. Yeah, that's where we have built here. Let's go, let's go. You will see, if you get your own dumbbell, my friend, you can try this style, man. Try this style. From sitting down to standing up. Wow. You see the style I've done with this dumbbell? Yeah, you can do same too. Because, you know, when one of my friend just come ask me something like, this guy, this your body doesn't even, doesn't change. You have never lost this body, even for years. How are you keeping it? What are you doing? Now I say, okay, please come to my TikTok, come and follow me. You will see what I'm doing. You know, this dumbbell has helped to maintain and keep a very good looking body like this.